How to backtest on TradingView. So first of all, you have to open the TradingView here, launch the TradingView app on your device and log in into your account, which I have already did, and utilize, and here you have to access the chart. Select the financial instrument you want to backtest by opening its charts here. For example, I want to do the Nifty. So as you can see, for example, let's say it's Sensex, so the chart will be open up here as well as on my left side panel. Right now I can see here, so if I just go and click on full chart, then the full chart will be enabled. Now look for the bar reply feature, right? So I don't want to connect here. Then here you have to look for the bar, replay, and look for bar replay feature, which allow you to simulate past market condition. This could be found in the toolbar at the top of the chart, and here you can just activated. For example, launch bar replay. Right click to select the straight point here. No data here, so we have to add a data, right? So of course we can do so. So start trading in bar replay here, and once you list the traders here, you will able to do so. Right here you can change the, for example, you can change the initial capital, the base currency and everything, right? And commissions as well. Right now, use playback control forward reverse to navigate through historical price data as if it was happening in real time. As you simulate trades, record entry and exit point, stop loss level, and take profit target for each trade. This documentation is crucial for evaluating your strategy performance, right? And this is it how you can do so. So thanks for watching.